you can see there are two handsets on the left and on the right side. So we'll start with the left side. To start the app, you need to tap on the Wi-Fi, okay, and then tap on the app, that is Wi-Fi Direct, and of course you need to allow the device location. And on the right side of my screen I have the other app. See, when I press on the Wi-Fi Direct, it doesn't open. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the Wi-Fi, start the Wi-Fi and then on it, okay, and then let's tap on the Wi-Fi Discover, that is on the right side of my screen, and on the left side also tap on the Wi-Fi Discover, and then it should list the available handsets. Okay, you can see on my left side it has an E available and Redmi Note 9 Pro available, and on my left side it's me, and then there is an icon of the app, and then and then there is an E. Okay, so what we'll do, from the left side, that is on the left side of the hand screen, I'll tap on the Redmi Note 9 Pro and I will connect it. Once I'm connected, I have to accept from the other side by tapping on the accept, and I have accepted, and now it is connected. So let's send the gallery, from the gallery an image. Okay, maybe, okay, I'll send this beautiful image, and you can see here I will tap on the right side, view photos. I have tapped, and then I can see the photo which was sent from the left hand side to the right hand side. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload.
And in this tutorial I'll show you how to clone the app from Google. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. Go to your favorite browser and go to this link. Okay, this link will be given in the below description. Let's check it out. And then once you are in the link, download this project by clicking on the TZZ. Okay, once you do that, you will have in your download folder. Okay, so you have to, this is the one which I downloaded. Okay, so you have to extract it. Okay, and once you extract, it will be seen like this. Okay, so this is the code, and then when you go to the string, okay, open your string with the favorite text editor or any apps that you have that opens and serve your purpose. So you can see the name of the app is Wi-Fi Direct. Okay, you can see app name Wi-Fi Direct, and the package of the app. The package of the app is com.example.android.wi-fi direct. Okay, so these two things right now we need. Okay, so let's go to our Android Studio. Open your Android Studio, okay, and click on start a new Android Studio. Okay, and click on the empty activity. Once you are done, it should take you to next. You need to wait for a moment. Okay, and then give the name of the app Wi-Fi Direct, okay, as it is, and the package name we will change to the default package name, so that example should be replaced by some other names. You can give it as your desired name, okay, but I will give it as it is, just okay, Android and Wi-Fi Direct. Okay, so let's check the package name again, com.example.android.wi-fi direct. Okay, this is how is the package name. In your case, maybe you want to change this example, and then minimum you can set it to your desired app. Okay, there is also 14 Android, but in this case I will give lollipop and finish it by clicking on the finish. Then in a moment it should open. Guys, if you like my video tutorial, please share, like, share and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload. Okay, let's close this. And now let's go back here till. So what we will do, we will copy this, all this entire items under res, I mean resource. This is the resource directory and there are folders. We'll copy all this to our Android project once it is completed. And also we will copy this, I mean these classes. Okay, and then we will also change the manifest, Android manifest. You can see open with your favorite editor. In my case, I will open with my Visual Studio Code editor and it should show me the code. Okay, this is the code. Okay, so what I'll do, I will copy this. Okay, remember not to copy this because in the modern Android Studio, this does it. This is not here. This is gone to build.gradle. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy only this part. Okay, copy it and then go to the your project, enlarge your, go to manifest and open this Android manifest and paste it here. Okay, these are the permissions which is required to run this app. And then we also have here another, this one, provider. Okay, below, copy this and place it under activity. Okay, paste it and we will change this. Okay, we'll change it to, because in the modern Android Studio it's like this dot core. Okay, it's no more version 4. Okay, and it should turn green. This also will turn green. Okay, but when we configure, finally configure it. So now that we are done with this manifest, we'll do one thing, we'll go to rest. Okay, this is the rest. Under resource, rest means resource, highlight all these items just as I have highlighted. Okay, copy them. Okay, I'm copying in my ways and then this is the resource. Click on the resource of your Android Studio project and paste it by right clicking on it. Okay, paste it. Once you paste, click on OK and then here, okay, click on skip for all. Okay, so only the required items will be installed, okay, which are already there. We don't want to paste it. Okay, so I'm doing skip all. So when I do skip all, only these required things are being pasted, like this one, like the values which I already have, it doesn't touch. Okay, so in the drawable, so you can see the new items being added, the old ones are there, and layout also you can see. So see, now that we have got this one, this provider paths.xml, when you go to, you can see it turns green now, this part, this below part. Okay, so that is the sign that it is okay, our manifest is okay right now. So now we will also go back and we have done this part, we have done this XML part, and now we will come to this part. Okay, so now we want to copy this and this and this, right, and also this one. Okay, copy copy it by right clicking. Okay, and go to your com.project, I mean package name here, right click. Okay, and paste it, and it should paste for you. Wait, in a moment it should paste. You can see everything is being pasted, but in our case this is the main activity. Okay, so we will replace this main activity with Wi-Fi direct activity. How we do that? Go to your manifest again, and then here you should have an activity with main activity. Okay, replace this with the name Wi-Fi direct activity. Okay, that way you replace and you assign that Wi-Fi direct activity is the main activity. So now this is our main activity. Okay, so doing that, we can now delete this. We can delete this because we no longer need or require, and delete anyway, and we are done. Okay, in this part, in the layout part, come to this layout part and remove this. Okay, remove activity underscore main.xml. Right click on that and click on the delete. Okay, so we deleted that as well. Okay, so now we need two other classes, which is file transfer service and this one. So how do we do that? File transfer service, right? So click on this package, right click and go to new and come here. You will find here service. Okay, service, and go to service intent service. Okay, and rename this with file transfer service and uncheck this, include helper start methods, uncheck that and click on finish. Okay, that way it will create for you a class, okay, with a service. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to open this class with your editor. In my case, I'll use Visual Studio Editor, and copy the whole code, highlight everything, copy it, come back to this project. Okay, highlight everything and override it by pasting it here. So it has override. Okay, so this is the new code which we copied. And one more thing, when you go to manifest, you will be able to see your service which we just created, service class. See, you can see this is the one, service class. Okay, so now it is registered in the manifest. Okay, so we'll do the same thing for our broadcast as well. This is the broadcast, Wi-Fi direct Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver. Okay, we'll create that as well. Right click on the package, go to new and go down to other. Okay, here you will have a broadcast receiver, click on that and change the name to Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver. Okay, and disable this exported by unchecking it. Okay, so let's check the name again, Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver. Okay, and click on finish. Okay, and then also we want to open this source code by using our favorite editor again, and then here highlight it, copy it, come back to your project, highlight the entire project, paste it, and it will overwrite, okay, your existing code. You can see it is overridden. Now go to XML and you can see here your broadcast receiver as well. Here, this is the part, broadcast which is registered right now. So you'll be, unless this is displayed in the, or this is there in the Android manifest, okay, when it is there it will work. If it is not there, you make sure that it is present in the Android manifest, this service as well, and this provider as well. Okay, these are very important, and also this permissions. Okay, now manifest is complete, just cross it, and then we'll go to this red. Why it is red, we will check it. Okay, there should be some problem here. Okay, we don't need this anymore because we have used the modern Android X dot core dot provider, which is a replacement of this. and it's still turning red. So for that we will check if there is anything here left which we do not do. Okay, there are strings which are not copied yet, so we need to go to our project again, which we downloaded. Go to res, go to values, go to strings, open this, okay, with your editor, and then copy the strings up to this, not the up one, which is not the app name, okay, only those items, and go to values here in your project as well. Go to strings, okay, and then here you paste it, okay. Then I think now there should not be a problem. Okay, this problem is solved. We do still have some problems here. Okay, this one, provider, click on that. Okay, click on alt enter or option enter. So in my case I have an option enter, so the thing is that you need to import the class, okay, file provider class. Click on that and it should import, and then we will also check further if there is anything yet. And you can see this is no, it was red in color underlined, but now there is no more red. I will open the next one and check if there are anything which is not properly uh, imported or configured. And then we go to file, it's green, there is no problem here. Now we go to Wi-Fi Direct and we'll see here as well. You can see one here. Okay, this one, what you will do, you will use get application contacts, okay, dot, and then leave it like that, and it should uh, initialize, or it should configure properly. You can see now there is no more red, okay. And then we are done with this. Let's go with the Wi-Fi broadcast and see there is no more problem. Okay, now what we need to do, let's go to our layout. Okay, one of the layout, which is the main one. We'll see here is there is any problem. Okay, here we will create two buttons. From here we will create two buttons, okay, for enabling the Wi-Fi and scanning the device. Okay, so what I will do, it should be linear layout, it should match parent and wrap content, of course. And then we'll create button here, button match parent in width and height will be wrap content. And also we want the ID will be ATN enable, okay, direct enable. Click on that, okay. And then also we want the text will be Wi-Fi enable, okay. And then also I want the layout width to 1 because I want to divide the width evenly between the two buttons. Sorry, it should be like this. Okay, we'll do the same thing. We need another button, match parent in case of width and wrap content in case of height. And we want the ID will be ATN direct discover, okay. And then the text will be scan device, or you can also give not exactly scan device. We will do one thing here, Wi-Fi discover, okay. And then layout width will be 1, right? Okay, we are done with this, and let's check. You can see here Wi-Fi enable and Wi-Fi discover, okay. So you will do the same thing with the large LAN, I mean layout as well, okay. But in my case I won't do that. Okay, here also you will do the same thing. Okay, this is different kind of screen size. Okay, this is the mobile screen size. So now we'll go to our Wi-Fi direct activity, which is our main activity, and then here on create, this is the one. here below what we will do, we will set private button, okay, and then of course import the button, okay, import button class, and then we will write here Wi-Fi enable and Wi-Fi discover, okay, and then after initializing there, here we will write Wi-Fi enable, and we will cast the button find view by id r.id dot enable, okay, and then also we want click listener, set on click listener, okay, with a new view on click listener, okay. So we'll copy this. Before we proceed further, we want to copy this and then step down twice and then change this Wi-Fi enable to Wi-Fi discover, which is the second button on the right side, and this one also Wi-Fi discover, okay, and also we want to change the ID of the, which will be discover, okay. Now go down, we have a menu items here, but this will not be visible here, so for that reason we are doing this slide configuration. Copy this under the HEN direct enable, copy this and then come here, where is it, okay, here, come down here and paste it here, okay, and then go back again, and we have HEN direct discover, okay, copy this right up to this, copy, go back and paste it here, okay, paste it here and remove this return true because we are not returning anything here, okay. Now that we are done, we can do one thing, we can disable this. How we do that, we highlight everything and then we use this command /, okay, so this will be disabled. Add the color, let's go to our download and then our app, this is the color, open with your editor, okay, copy these colors, okay, and then paste it in the resource, go to resource and then you should have in the value colors, open this and add it here below. So this is it, okay. Now you can run, you can connect your device by setting in the debug option and then run this, okay. Once you do that, your app should be installed in your handset without any problem. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and hit the bell icon for latest notification on the video that I upload.